Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can find advanced vendor payment balance in QuickBooks Desktop. Well, there are many methods we use to record vendor advance payments in QuickBooks Desktop, and it's essential to have a clear idea whether what exactly is happening behind the scene when we use a particular method. And when different methods have been utilized to record a vendor advance payment, it becomes a bit difficult to find the actual credited balance of the vendor, and failing to do so can lead to discrepancies in financial statements. Anyhow, to find the advanced vendor payment balance, open your company file and go to the vendor center. Here you can see that the account balance of this vendor is $1,075. And when you go to vendor advance payments account under the chart of accounts, you see that there are many vendors, among them is 52KL2, and the total balance of the account is $1,670, which does not give us a clear idea about the credit balance of the vendor named 52KL. So close these windows and go back to vendor center. Here I have created a bunch of transactions applying 5 different methods to record the advance payments, and I will use a simple technique to find the advance payment balance of this fictitious vendor named 52KL. And if you have somewhat doubt about recording the advance payment methods, do watch my tutorial named 5 ways of recording vendor advance payments in QuickBooks Desktop. I will give its link in the description. Now select the balance detail here, and here you can see that it's showing the same balance, which is $1,075. And when you go to bills, it gives us a balance of $1,100, which we can calculate manually too by checking the unpaid bills and adding their amounts. So open the bills one by one and write the amount of unpaid bills. And here you can see that the total amount of this bill is $800, and some advance amount has also been applied to this bill, leaving $750 behind. So write it on your spreadsheet. And find the balance of other unpaid bills and then add them up to find the balance, which is $1,100. Now deduct the account balance from the bill's opening balance, which leaves us with the credit balance $25. And when you go to pay bills and select the concerned vendor and bills, here it shows you the credit balance, which is $25. Now cancel it and let's find the credit balance this vendor has under the vendor advance payments account in the chart of accounts. So go to the chart of accounts and open the vendor advance payments account. And here you can see that this vendor has many transactions here, and the total balance of this account is $1,670. So it's hard to find the credit balance of this vendor at a glance. So to find the credit balance, we can use many different ways, but the ones I see convenient are the following two. The first one is to just select any transaction of this vendor and then go to Quick Reports. It will give you the report of all the transactions, including the credit balance of this vendor, which is $500. And if you need to find the credit balance within a certain period of time, all you need is to just select your period by changing the dates here. And the second way to find the credit balance is via balance sheet. So click on the report menu and open the balance sheet. And then change the date. And here you can see the vendor advance payment balance. Just double click on it and it will open its report. Here it is giving you the total account balance, which is $1,670. But what we need is to find the balance of a particular vendor. So click on account list and select vendor. And here you can see that it is showing the total credit amount of all the vendors individually. And if you want to see the credit amount of a specific period, then just change the dates and it will show you the transactions happen in that period. Now write the credit balance of the concerned vendor, which is $500. And then just sum them up. And here you can see that the total credit balance of the vendor 52KL is 525. And this is how you can find the advanced vendor payment balance when different methods have been used to record the advance payments in QuickBooks Desktop. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.